Let me just show you the Surya Namaskar classical one, spiritual practice, what we are going to do. We have discussed already these things. So 12 steps, simple 12 steps, but we are going to see in very different ways today. Okay. So we all know all the 12 steps names. Yeah, they are written in Hindi and Sanskrit. You can say here, Samastiti. I hope everyone is yogi here and everyone is, familiar with the names here, that what all are the names of, Sun Salutation. The Samastiti is the balanced position. The Tadasana also you say normally. Namaskar Asana, when you keep it here, right? Then Urdhva Vrikshasana, go up, hands over the head, and everything I'm going to discuss once I'm there. Okay. Then Uttanasana, Ashvasanchalan, Falakasana, and everything. So what we are going to do now, I'm going to go there. First, I am going to demonstrate. Okay. First, I'm going to demonstrate all types of different variations. That means how you can do the practices for emotional reasons, like what people are doing normally, then with some focus, mental focus, right, for the mental health. Then after that, for the physical purpose that you are doing for the mental health also, but you have to know that if you want to improve into the asana practice, because many people are doing asana practices for what reason? They're also doing the asana practices for improvement reason nowadays. Flexibility they need, right? Strength they need. So all the requirements, what they need from the asanas, we are also going to see that as well. Okay, so third demo I will do for the physical practice purpose. Fourth demo I will do with the mantras. And then after that, the fifth demo will be holistic. Okay, this is how also you can begin. This is how also you can begin step by step, right? When you're teaching your clients also, you can also see, okay, whatever type of yoga practices you want to do, you can start like this. Okay, first foundation and then keep on laying one thing on top of each other. Okay, that's how you reach on top. Okay, you cannot directly jump into the spiritual practice without even knowing that, because this body will only take you through the spiritual practice. So if you'll not take care of this body while doing the movements, it will get injured. If it will get injured, how will you proceed further? Isn't it? So you have to really make sure that you know how you're moving. Once you know how you're moving, then you can go for 108, you can go for 1008, you can go for 10,008, you can go for billions of sun salutation in one go. It's your wish after that. Okay, so let me just go back, demonstrate the first one, and then I will give you the opportunity to go with me. I'm not holding you back. It is not that you just keep on watching me. If you wish, you can right away go with me. There is no mandatory thing that you have to do the practice. You can just see, look at like this, and just keep on watching me, that how I'm performing there. Or you can just go ahead with me at that right away with me when I'm there. You can do all the demos with me so that you can learn faster. Okay, so I will leave it up to you. All right, I will leave this up to you completely.